AMI for Ease Meditation. If you are new to meditation or you want to check in on something to do with technique, then please visit our How to Meditate section. There's lots of practical information and some personal insights from our members. Find a comfortable position. Usually try for a symmetrical, relaxed position, sitting or lying down. Today's meditation, mindfulness exercise is about letting go. And now close your eyes. When you close your eyes, what's going on inside you comes to the fore. Your attention goes from outside to inside. All sorts of experiences are happening. The mind may be busy with thoughts. There may be some emotions that are present. Hearing the sounds around you. The body has all kinds of sensations going on. You'll feel sensations in your body. Just noticing all of that and not trying to do anything about it. Simply notice. Don't judge. Bring your awareness to your breathing. Your breathing is going on effortlessly, spontaneously. Everything that you experience is happening in that same spontaneous way. Thoughts coming and going. Emotions. All of your experience happen effortlessly. And the mind is active, creating explanations, stories, evaluates, judges what's happening. And perhaps you'll notice sometimes that there's some resistance to some experience, a feeling that you would like to change the experience. Let that go, not resisting any experience. Sometimes a pleasant experience will come, and you may notice the tendency to try to hold on, to try to keep one experience and to push out something else. So, let that go. Simply be. Let any of that effort, any of that trying go. Noticing what's going on, it doesn't take any effort. To be aware of what's going on, it doesn't take any effort. To be aware. When you notice that you are trying to avoid, trying to manipulate and change things, let that go. Simply be. Let's assume everything is perfect the way it is. For this meditation, that everything that happens, everything that you feel, all the thoughts that come, everything is just perfect the way it is. And somehow, the movement of the energy of life creates all of this experience, and we can't know why, and we can't improve on it. So letting go of resistance, taking it as it comes. Bring a light focus to resistance. Let go of even the resistance to resistance. Let go of all. Let go completely. From time to time, you will notice that the mind is busy, how the mind and the thoughts interact with the rest of our experience. Sometimes, it'll just be a kind of chatter in the background, and at other times, they'll get stronger and grip our attention. Letting go when this happens. Not minding what the mind does. Perhaps sometimes a peaceful feeling comes, and then we try to hold on to it. But if you notice that holding on, let that go. letting go to the natural flow of living, the natural flow of our experience, trusting what comes. Experience has its own natural flow. Letting go of resistance, effortless, being, ease equals simply being, letting go. Your body knows how to breathe. It's effortless. Effortlessly experience your experiences, not rejecting anything, not holding on to anything. Just letting go completely. Bring your attention to your breathing. Notice how effortless it is. Let go of any effort to control or manipulate the breath. Letting go of resistance when you notice it. Letting go of the attempt to change anything. Just open, innocent awareness. We have reached the end of the guided part of this meditation. Gently bring yourself back from your bubble. Come out slowly. If you want, continue meditating on your own time.